G'day, Steve here. Saw you taking a peek at the palm protector. These are designed for when we've got crimpled up arthritic fingers or what's called contracture. The fingernails dig into the palm and the hand gets sweaty and stinky and the hand's always spasming and the cloth towel drops away. The palm protector is designed to take all of that away. This is a finger separator design and it stops the fingers from digging into the palm and causing those wounds inside the palm, and the absorption through the sheepskin fibres to the leather stops the palm stinking at the end of the day. They're held in place very simply by a Velcro that doesn't allow them to fall off the wrist, and you can very easily tell which is left and which is right because they have the little label there that says L and R. The other type of design in the palm protector that we have is the one with the roll over top for those very doubled up fingers, very arthritic type fingers that are very difficult to separate. This is a fold over design and it stops the fingers again bedding into the palm and takes away that sweat. Again, these Velcro into place, they fit on absolutely everybody and they take away all the problems associated with contracture. I know you're going to love these. Get into them. You take care out there.